Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant cucumber transplants in a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, so we have this pot that we just took that broccoli plant out. So what we're going to do, there's the roots. We'll go ahead and take that out today. Is we're going to plant cucumber in here, and this is our tasty green. These are looking really good. They went through the frost with a cover on them because they will not take a frost, and they've been hardened off. So I don't want to bring them out just from the house to the greenhouse and plant them directly. You want to go through the harden off process first, which we did last week, and now they're ready to go. So this is called a hill. There's 3 plants together. We do not want to separate these because cucumbers are really touchy about anybody messing with their roots. So we're going to leave it together. So we're just going to turn this upside down. Going to give that a squeeze. You can see the beautiful roots here. We're not going to disturb it. Turn that back over and just push that soil in around it. And then I will get some more mulch and we'll mulch this in. If you feel like your plants are still a little bit tender, you can put a very light cover frost blanket over the top of them, or put in a little bit of shade, and they should do fine. The next thing we want to do with this is we want to get all the air pockets away from the roots because we disturbed the soil. So we will, within about 20 minutes, we want to get some water on this, just soak it down really good. And then we will watch the forecast. If we feel like it's going to go below 36 degrees, we're going to go ahead and put our frost protection system on this so that we don't lose our cucumbers. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week 2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.